Are you rich? Now, before you answer yes or no, I need you to understand what I'm asking you. See, I'm not looking for financial statements or what your stock portfolio looks like or how much money you have in the bank. I think a lot of you are rich and you don't even realize it. You're rich if you woke up this morning, you had a roof over your head, clothes on your back, and food on your plate, and you have someone who cares about you. If you have all those things, you're one of the richest people out there, because there's a lot who don't have those things.